In this video, you will learn how to post video pins on Pinterest from mobile. But before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video till the end so you don't make any kind of mistake when you trying it from yourself. So first step, you have to open your Pinterest app. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you will see a option plus. Now you have to click on plus in the middle of bottom of your screen. Now you will have an interface like this. Here you have to click on pins. Now you will have an interface like this. So here you have to select a video option, and now you have to select a video which you want to pin in your Pinterest. So let's say I want to share this video. After that you have to click in a next in a top right corner. Now you have to click in a next. If you want to edit, so you can edit here, but in this case I don't want to edit this video. So now I'm simply click on next and share this video in Pinterest. Now you have to add some title. After that you have to click on create, and now you have to go your profile. As you can see, my video pin in here, and that's how you can make video pin in your phone. If this video helpful to you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.